there! I see you've stumbled upon my fabulous domain. I am Friyoshii, a cosplayer and an aspiring fashion designer, and my channel is all about learning new and fun creative stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I turned this old top, which I haven't seen for like 3 years, into this adorable ruched top. Is that what it's called? It was a very easy and simple process. It took me around 20 to 30 minutes, excluding the many hours I spent procrastinating. Anyways, let us begin our mission for today. First thing you'll do is measure how long the top is going to be. Make sure you add few more extra inches from your original crop top length. So I marked 18 inches from the top and cut it out. Make sure not to throw out the remaining piece since we will be using it for the rest of the top. After you cut it out, flip your top inside out and double fold the raw edge or hem the edge. This is how it looks after I hemmed the raw edge. So we're going to work on the side of the top below the sleeves. Now take the measurement from the bottom of the sleeve to the bottom of your top. So my measurement is about 8 inches. So I took the scrap we just cut out and I'm going to cut 2 strips 8 inches long and 2 inches wide. Here's my 2 strips. You're going to sew it on the side of your top by folding the edge like this. Place it on the side of your top and fold the side and sew them along, and also sew another row through the center. This will create 2 channels for the 2 long strips of fabric to go through. Here I pin the piece by folding it on the side, and now I'm going to sew straight down. I'm sorry to pause this video, but I have something really important to say. That is, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what type of tutorials or videos you want me to make in the future. And also, let me know if you guys want to see more thrift flip videos like this. You may proceed with this video now. So here's how it looks after I finish sewing the sides, and you can see the 2 channel openings here, both at the bottom and at the top. So I flipped my top inside out, and here's how it looks on the right side. So I took the remaining scrap and folded in half and measured 30 centimeters. Since it's on fold, remember that when you unfold it, the total length will be 60 centimeters. So you'll cut 4 strips of length 30 centimeters in fold and 3 centimeters wide. After you cut your strips, you will double fold them like this and sew it. After sewing the fold, here's how my 4 strips look like. You're going to take a small safety pin and put it on one end of the strip and put it through one of the channels like this and pull it through till you get it to the top. Make sure you place a pin at the top so it stays still, and repeat this for the rest of the strips. After you do that, sew along the top edge only so you can secure the strips there. So I'm done securing the strips, so now I'm just going to pull them like this and tie a knot. And that's it, your ruched crop top is done. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Our mission for today has been completed. in my opinion, after I finished making this top, I was like, it would have been nicer if I used a better quality old t-shirt than this one, since the fabric was kind of very thin, so it wasn't looking really nice on it. If you guys do want to try this technique out, I'd suggest try it on a thicker fabric kind of material or something that would look kind of cute. It's clearly a very old t-shirt as you can see it, so yeah. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys try this method out since it is very simple and it didn't take that long. So yeah. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below on what type of videos you want me to make in the future. Shh.